Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I would just like to give a quick shout out to AB113. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. So I have a quick unboxing from Beatles and they were kind enough to send me some products to review. The first thing they sent over was this 84 watt UV lamp. I really love this lamp. It matches my desk and everything, so I might give it a try. My lamp that I currently have is a 124 or 26 watt lamp, so it's a little bit higher, but this is still perfect. 84 watts and up is perfect for curing polygel. They also sent over this nail powder kit. I was really excited to get this because I definitely want to start doing some gold chrome and silver chrome, how they do those like nail designs. So I'm super excited to give this a try, and I'll probably be testing this out in not my next video, but the video after. So definitely look out for that. This kit includes 8 different colors. It includes the like little eyeshadow tablets, and it has a brush for you to dust off the extra chrome powder. And these are really easy and simple to use, but like I said, I'll demonstrate this in another video. And lastly, they sent over some gel polishes. I got the Perfect 20 kit. So this kit is awesome because it comes with 20 different polishes. It comes with a top coat, a base coat, and a matte top coat, which is great. So it's kind of like getting 40 colors instead of 20, because you can do it glossy or you could do it matte. What I really like about these, here are the colors on the screen as well. What I really like about these gel polishes is that the tops of the polish have the color on it. So it has the number, but it also shows you the color, so you don't have to go in and open every bottle to see what color it is. And here is a good example for it here. So as you can see, this color is shade, what is it, 332, 326, and you can see the color of it. So I really appreciate that. I love these polishes and I use them in today's video. They are super thick. Honestly, all you need is one coat, but I did two because, you know, one coat just doesn't feel right. But yeah, I really love these polishes, and I just want to say thank you again to Beatles for sending me over these products to review. Today, we're going to be doing a story time, and I have another wild, crazy story for you guys. Today, I'm going to be telling you guys about the time that I almost did Coca Loca white powder. I know you're picking up what I'm putting down. I don't want to get demonetized, but yeah, it almost happened, guys. Like, this is the first time that I ever seen it in all. So let's get into this story. So at the time, I was a freshman in college. Of course I was in college. And I was going to like my first ever huge college party. So like, you know, you used to have little kickbacks, this was like my first ever big. It was at a house, a frat house, my first ever college party. And it was crazy because it was my birthday at the time too. I wish I had a picture of like my whole ensemble. I had blonde hair, y'all, booty shorts on. Oh, you know what it was? You know how girls wear like those white button-up shirts and that's like, I don't know, if they walk around the house in their man's white button-up. It was that type of theme party. So I had on a button-up. I had a sash on that said happy like 18th birthday or something wild. I've never been drunk in my life, to be honest, to the point where I can't remember what happened. Never. And I probably never will because I don't care to drink that much, but I was definitely tipsy tonight. So we're on our way to this party, driving to the party, and we get there. Like I said, it's a huge frat house. So there's people upstairs, there's people in the basement, there's people on the first level floor, and then there's also a garage attached to this house. So I was in the garage with my friends and we were just acting a fool. Like, I remember I was to be really close with this one guy, and he was shorter than me, but we were like best friends, and I actually really do miss him. But he got a girlfriend, and y'all know how that goes. After your guy friends get a girlfriend, the girl's like, you can't hang out with her no more. So it was me, him, and some of my other girlfriends, and we were just acting a fool, like just drinking, dancing, laughing, having a phenomenal time. We're going in and out throughout the house, partying down in the basement because that's where like the DJ booth was and everything. We were just having a ball. So all I remember was we were in the garage because we were hitting ganja. So if you were smoking, you had to go in the garage smoking cigarettes, smoking whatever. I don't smoke those. No judgment to anybody that do, but I was smoking that green. I know y'all picking up what I'm putting down. So next thing you know, there's this guy. Have y'all ever watched the show That's So Raven? You remember that guy that they called him Coconut because his hair was shaped like in a coconut or whatever, and he wore glasses and he carried that backpack? Okay, if y'all know who I'm talking about and you've seen that show before, this is exactly what the guy looked like when he walked in. This dude walks in, some of the frat boys come out, and he pulls out his backpack. He pulls out, I think it was a scale. Next thing you know, I just see white lines. Like there's white lines on it. Lost. I've never seen anything like this before. I didn't even know what, I'll call it Coca Loca. That's what I'll call it. I never knew what Coca Loca even looked like. Never. Honestly, I thought it was like a liquid or something. So I'm completely lost. I have no clue what's going on. It's my first ever college party. I came from a small town. Nobody did that where I was from. Never. Like, I never knew what that looked like. They teach me that in high school. So it's a scale, it's some white stuff or whatever. And all I remember was some of these frat boys coming over, and they was like, I think they had like some sort of paper, and they were kind of like rolling it up as if they were about to smoke it, something like that. And I was like, oh, what is that? And I was just like lost. Still to this point, I'm lost. And I guess this one of the guys saw that I was looking over at him, and he was asking me if I wanted to give it a try, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, what is that? They looked at me like I was retarded, y'all. Like, they were really looking at me like, oh yeah, she's done. And they were trying to trick me. Like I said, I never been drunk to the point where I can't remember, but I was definitely tipsy. And all I can remember was them saying like, this is blow. Like, this is blow. It was some code word, I guess. I guess that's what people call it, blow. I don't know. And I was like, I don't do that. I don't know what that is. So at this point, they're just laughing at me. And my other friends, they're in their own world. They're not even paying attention to me. I had stepped to the side because, I don't know why I was so nosy. This dude takes out, it was like it was wrapped in saran wrap. It looked like a brick, y'all. Like, I'm so serious. A whole saran wrap wrapped of just white. Y'all, I swear I had no clue what was going on. I'm still in the garage. These guys are just laughing at me. I still have no clue what they're doing. Y'all, they was really out there smoking crack. Like, I think that's what it's smoking. Like I said, I still don't know to this day. I can't tell you nothing about blow. I can't tell you nothing about Coca-Cola. But they was really out there doing that right in front of my face, y'all. And I had no clue. This guy, Coconut, we'll call him Coconut, that came in there with a backpack, just got bricks in his bag. And he looked like a kid. Like, he literally looked exactly like Coconut off of That's So Raven. Like I said, I'm off that ganja. I'm crossfaded. I'm a little tipsy. I'm like, whatever. Y'all laughing at me. I'm going downstairs. I don't know what y'all get into, but I don't get into that. Because let me tell you something. We don't do that where I'm from. I don't know what you getting into, but I'm good. So I went downstairs. I'm partying, whatnot. And I met this guy that we had drove to the party with, and I hadn't seen him the whole time. I was like, hey. So we start dancing, whatever. Like, we're just having a blast. Here's where it gets crazy, y'all. So next thing you know, police is outside. They're shutting the party down. And no police are inside, but all the guys that own the house are telling everybody to get in the basement. Everybody needs to be quiet. They're trying to act like there's no party going on here. Are you dumb? No, I'm leaving. Sorry. She's a runner. She's a track star. I was out of there. There was people at the door. Like, it was kind of like a crowd. People were trying to get out of the house so we could all leave, but there was just policemen, so many policemen outside. I went to the party with about, I would say, probably probably about 10 different people. We drove in all separate cars. And my other girlfriend, who I was really close with, was super drunk. She was done up. And she was outside in front of all those policemen. Mind you, we're underage, drunk. And she's like, you need to go in there and find Alexandra and get her. I'm not leaving without her. At the door, so we're at the door, and the police officer walks to the front door, and he's like, is there an Alexandra Dixon here? And I'm with my other guy friend that I came with. I'm like, I'm right here. I'm drunk, I'm done up, I'm acting like this is special treatment, when really I thought about it in the morning, like, oh my god, I'm underage and I'm drunk, and I'm telling the police officer that I'm right here. So everybody gets out the way so I can get through. I'm taking my friend with me too. And we leave. He has to see my ID and everything. He put like flashlights in my eyes and whatnot. And then all I can hear is my friend still saying, I'm not leaving without her. She's talking to a police officer. She's drunk, y'all. Telling, I need to find her. So finally, I'm like, we'll call her Jessica. I'm like, Jessica, I'm right here. And we're just running all over the place, getting in our car. We had a designated driver that wasn't drunk, so we make it home. It was hilarious, guys. So the next day, we're talking about the party and everything that happened, and we're just laughing. And then my other friend, because remember, when I was a freshman, I lived in this suite with 7 girls. Our other friend was like, oh yeah, they shut that party down because it was a huge drug bust. Somebody brought in like 5 pounds of Coca-Loca. I was like, oh my god. I literally saw it right there. It was literally a whole setup. Somebody had basically set the kid up, set the whole people up, and the police came because they were like trying to get a hold of it or get a hold of him or whatever. He was like some huge plug, and I don't know what happened to him. I'm pretty sure they found him, but so yeah, that's the first time I really almost like took Coca-Loca and had no clue what I was about to do. But anyway, if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. You're a real one. I want to start telling my subscribers stories and everything. I don't want to call y'all my subscribers. Y'all are like my friends, my best friends. I don't know. I'm going to think of a name to call you guys. Ew, I feel like so corny, but y'all really are my friends. I feel weird calling you my subscribers. Like, ew. No, we're besties. But anyway, I want to start telling your stories. So my Instagram is in the description box below, and my email address is in the description box below as well. So if you have a nice size story that you want to tell me, I can do it anonymously, or if you want me to say your name, it doesn't matter, just let me know, and I'll tell your story while I do my nails. And then, you know, people always comment, so you can get feedback on your story. So yeah, send me your stories if you guys are interested and want to be featured. Also, like I said in my last video, I am having a giveaway. Like I said, it's going to be dropped in the video randomly because I really want my true supporters to win this one. And the giveaway will be next week. So it's going to be in either one of my videos. So make sure that you have my post notifications on so you can be the first to check it out. There's going to be one winner for this one, and then I'll still be having another giveaway in the weeks to come. So don't worry, I'm going to be doing lots of giveaways, lots of them, because I love you guys, and I just want to thank you so much for all of your support. But today is Thursday, so that means that I will see you guys on Monday. Thank you again so much for watching. We're almost at 4K. Literally almost at 4K. I can't believe it, and I'm so excited. Thank you guys for all your support, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.